this video, I will make it in English and Spanish so you guys can understand. I speak papiamento myself, and I will sing also in papiamento. Papiamento is a language from different languages created in the ABC Islands, Aruba, Bonaire, and Curacao. And if you understand Portuguese, you'll understand some of it. If you understand Spanish, you'll understand some of it. It has Dutch, and it has many things. And I'm going to start off with a song of mine called Awetekos. Awetekos mean today is the day. Si t'amor volta a buscar, aguanta mi man y no la haga mi bai. Mi te clavar turcos, te cubo mi querta pa eternidad. No quibra boca vez y ta para otras, aquí con comportar. Este momento perfecto para nos comenzar un vida junto. Awete cosa mi cumbo nos dos. Awete cosbo por gis lagan los. Awe y este momento perfecto van ser a cabeza y junto. Mira si vos quieres tan feliz, si equivo corazón, el lo guiabo bon. Y si tan mi teso, pilota tinan, guardando riba bon. Di mi banda mi sa, cota cubo mi quieta, y di nadie pensa más. Lo que no están sintiendo, definitivamente está algo completo. Awete cosa mi cumbo nos dos. Awete cosbo por gis la galos. Awe y este momento perfecto van ser a cabeza y junto dirán el momento tan turco van proveche agua. Tampoco gente por visa kunan conoce estima yo aweticos pa' que guarde un día más aweticos a mi nota jala atrás aweticos si puedo sentirme un cos aweticos awete día dinos dos awete cosa mi cumbo nos dos awete cospo por gis la galos awe y este momento perfecto van ser a cabeza y junto dirán awete cos. The song that I just did, la canción que acabo de cantar es hoy es la cosa, today is the day, you know, the day is what's going to happen. It's a love song. And it was my point of view when somebody approaches, you know, their loved ones and they say, you know, let's cut it out and let's cut to the chase and let's do what we have to do. And songwriting to me is about, you know, a point of view at that particular moment in your life. Escribir canciones para mí es un punto de vista en el momento, en ese momento de tu vida, pues. So that's what I thought at that particular time. And I'm not always looking at my own situations, but some other situations of someone else can inspire me to write the lyrics. Of course, the lyrics, they have to go with the message. You know, I can't be singing something very sad with some bright light and bright melodies, because it's like saying, hey, I'm going to kill you, you know, and that's not the idea. Cuando escribo una canción, la letra tiene que cuadrar con la melodía, con el mensaje. Entonces no puedo hacer así, te voy a matar. No, o sea, no tiene, no tiene sentido. Sería muy desproporcionado. So that was that song, Ahuetecos. The next one that I'm going to do is a song in Spanish of mine. Let me choose one. I'm choosing right now. You know, let me choose a simple one. And most of times, what I do is I write the songs in different languages. So, especially when I write in papiamento, I also do a version in Spanish. You know, because they're close to each other, and we get the same thing. Let me see. Ah, this song is called Esta vez si no. Not this time. Siempre estuve ahí, dispuesto para ti. Y hasta en las madrugadas, si me necesitabas, también te vi a pasar frente de mi casa y no te parabas ni para saludar. Solo te servía como paño de lágrimas. Era tu amigo cuando no tenías a nadie más. Conmigo tú llorabas y te desahogabas, y me costó aceptar que me utilizabas. Esta vez si no está bueno, ya déjame en paz. Esta vez si no, conmigo tú no jugarás. Esta vez si no, tú no me vas a utilizar. Esta vez si no, seré tu paño de lágrimas. I did a small mistake, because I'm just playing out of my head. At least the music part. Siempre te vi como alguien especial. A cambio para ti, yo era superficial. Los consejos que te di los voy a practicar. Me tengo que dar el puesto y valorarme. Nunca te diste cuenta que yo sí te amé, y lo que yo te di fue lo mejor de mí. Pero esta vez si no caigo en tu lágrima. Esta vez si no seré tu paño de lágrima. Esta vez si no está bueno, ya déjame en paz. Esta vez si no, tú conmigo, tú no jugarás. Esta vez si no, a mí tú no me vas a utilizar. Esta vez si no, seré tu paño de lágrimas. Esta vez si no está bueno, ya déjame en paz. Esta vez si no, conmigo tú no jugarás. Esta vez si no, tú no vas a utilizar. Esta vez si no, seré tu paño de lágrimas. Yes, that song is called Esta vez si no. Well, the Spanish speaking people, they can understand. Esta vez si no is in English, not this time. Many people use each other. They call, oh, you're so nice, you're my friend, but they know that you like them. So you're there for them. And then they think that every time they're in bad situations, they can knock on your door. And in this song, the guy says, you know what? Not this time. I'm not going to play that game no more with you. So that was one in Spanish also. Esta vez, the first song was in papiamento, and now the next song was in Spanish. The next song that I'm going to do in English is a song from Campfire Chats, which is What's Going On. What's Going On is also like a love good song. And from the lyrics, you can see, what I'm about. In this song, he says, after all this time, we still feel this for each other. So let's make things right. It was a point of view of mine, way back in time. And as time passed, I went and uh, I redid certain things. So the song evolved with time. La canción evolucionó con el tiempo. What's going on? ¿Qué está pasando? Porque después de tanto tiempo tú y yo sentimos lo mismo. Es un punto de vista, como te dije, en el momento. Y esta canción fue evolucionando con el tiempo. ¿Entiendes? Entonces vamos a tratar de cantarlo. Y así. What's going on? Ooh, can you tell me, baby? The self to this date, my feelings for you are so strong. What's going on, baby? I did my time, so why am I still paying for the crime? Can you tell me, baby, how long it's gonna take that I can clean my act up for all of my mistakes? Can you help me, baby? Nobody but you can forgive me for my actions and make me a new man. What's going on? What's going on with you? What's going on, baby? What's going on with me? What's going on? Why carry on all that pain? It's time to get along. What's going on, baby? Was it all that? Don't you remember the good times that we had? All I'm asking, baby, is to leave the past behind. We need a new beginning for both in our lives. Deep down, you know, baby, that it won't do you wrong. We ain't got nothing to lose either way we choose. What's going on with you? What's going on with me? That after all this time, we cannot let it go. Hey, hey. What's going on with you? What's going on with me? That after all this time, we're holding on. Hey, hey. What's going on, baby? What's going on with you? What's going on? What's going on with me? All I'm asking, baby, is to give it a new try. Cause we love each other after all this time. And I know you'd rather die than give up on your pride. Love is real, love is true, love is on our side. What's going on, baby? What's going on with you? What's going on, baby? What's going on with me? What's going on, baby? What's going on with you? What's going on, baby? What's going on? Thank you. So sometimes you can have the tendency to write the song in the same progressions, you know, maybe because of your musical skill, maybe because you like them. There can be many, many, many reasons why you have the tendency to do that. However, sometimes you can choose to do that too, because you don't want people to concentrate on how skillful it is, because it's not a rat race, but you want the message. And in the case of what's going on, that's the thing. I wasn't interested in making a lot of changes. You know, I was interested in giving out the message. That was my interest. Damas y caballeros, estaba diciendo que para mí escribir una canción no es siempre de tratar de hacer 70,000 progresiones, porque uno, a veces tú no tienes esa capacidad, pero otro, para mí lo más importante es el mensaje. Entonces no es tan importante siempre la cantidad de acordes. Hay canciones con 3 acordes que han hecho mucho más que canciones de 1,100 y pico acordes. ¿Me entiendes? Lo que la música te pide, ¿ya? I would say that es papiamento. Lo que música te pide. Okay, give it what it asked. My uncle always used to tell me. My uncle used to tell me, because all my family on my father's side, they play music, and he didn't read or write music, you know, but he always had very, very good advices. He says, you know what? Give the music what it demands from you. Don't try to impress. Don't try to do a rat race. It's not worth it, you know. So the next song that I'm going to do is about a gypsy woman. La siguiente canción que voy a cantar es un tema se trata de una gitana. And the person in this song asks the gypsy woman when their loved one is going to come back. Y la persona que va a la gitana acude a la gitana porque está desesperado. They're desperate. So when you're desperate, you're looking for anything. Things that you didn't believe in, you will go after. Okay? So gitana vidente, he says, gitana vidente, you see her. Read my hand. Ándale, dime cuándo vendrá. Tell me when she will come. Tell me how it's going to be. Dime cómo será. Gitana vidente. Gitana. Seer. You that you can see, the seer. Quiero tenerla en mis brazos. I want to have her in my arms. Quiero saberlo ya, que estoy desesperado. So he says, I want to know when or if we're going to see each other because I'm desperate. And they ask, if I can see my loved one, blah, blah, blah. The gitana, the gypsy woman, looks at the person's eyes and says, don't worry. Don't bust yourself, Don't be hard on yourself. Don't suffer for love. Fate is in your favor. Be patient and you will see her, So that's the song about which I'm going to sing right now. And it's called what we say, Gitana. I find it a very beautiful song. People like it too, And but on a deeper level, sometimes understand the lyrics are also nice. So here we go. Gitana vidente, ándale la mano, dime cuándo vendrá, dime cómo será. Gitana vidente, quiero tenerla en mi brazo, quiero saberlo ya, estoy desesperado. Ayúdame, gitana, aliviame el alma, visítame el destino, sácame
de esta duda que la incertidumbre como un castigo pesa. Dime la verdad, aunque me duela. Gitana, vidente, ándale, me la mano. Dime cuándo vendrá, dime cómo será. Gitana, vidente, quiero tenerla en mi brazo. Quiero saberlo ya, estoy desesperado. A los ojos me miro, muy pausada contesto. No te he mortificado, pa' que tú sufres por amor. El destino está a tu favor. Ten paciencia nada más. Ella volverá, no te preocupes más. Gitana, vidente, ándale, me la mano. Dime cuándo vendrá, dime cómo será. Gitana, vidente, quiero tenerla en mi brazo. Quiero saberlo ya, estoy desesperado. Gitana, gitana, dile aunque la quiero. Dile aunque me duela profundo en el alma si no la veo. Gitana, gitana, dime lo que la quiero. Que por si fuera a donde ella yo volaría. Gitana, gitana, dime lo que la quiero. Llena de desespero, que ha pasado ya tanto tiempo. Gitana, gitana, dime lo que la quiero. Mi corazón palpita por su ausencia y eso a mí me mortifica. Gitana, gitana, dime lo que la quiero. Gitana, vidente, ándale, me la mano. Dime cuándo vendrá, dime cómo será. Gitana, vidente, quiero tenerla en mi brazo. Quiero saberlo ya, estoy desesperado.
Thank you, thank you. That was Gitana. Let's talk about rhyming. I'm all that, the world is flat. You are a rat. You can just rhyme like that, and it sounds like horrible. Rather than write what you really feel, and then start changing the words so they can rhyme. Okay. They don't have to always rhyme, but usually, try to do that, and also try to use the phonetics, la fonética, to be able to fit them into music. Yeah. For example, a los ojos me miró, muy pausada contestó, no estés mortificado, pa' que tú sufres por amor. Sometimes the word is shorter, you can make it longer. But if you fit a lot of words together, you got to be careful with that. So that's a little bit about, writing. But start writing your point of view first. Primero, escribe tu punto de vista. Primero. Después, la rima, la metáfora, todo eso viene en lugar. Pero no trate de rimar por rimar, porque pierdes el mensaje. I believe that if you just start to rhyme or just using technicalities, you start losing the core of your lyric, And sometimes you can get the lyric and the melody together, like parts of it. It's like a seed. Es una semilla. And then you have to make it grow into a tree. Entonces tú la pones y la crece. Se crece como un árbol. Okay, so that was Gitana. Now, if I take a song in English of mine called Set Me Free, Set Me Free is a blues song. And why? Because blues is it's a very, sentimental genre. It's a very sentimental genre. So I believe that, you got to express that. you know, especially the message of this song, because it also relates to blues, relates to, you know, to me, to, you know, human trafficking, slavery. You know, it came out of that, came out of the suffering, you know. And one particular and very specific thing was freedom. Yo escogí para este tema el ritmo de blues, porque blues es un ritmo que se ha creado de la esclavitud, del sufrimiento, ¿me entiendes? Entonces, esta canción es de liberar, liberación. So it could be set me free of, you know, religious point of view, from slavery, from, you know, prejudging me of like, okay, I'm this, you're that, I'm black, you're white, I'm gay, you're straight, I'm gay, stuff like that. So those those things, you know, those specific things. And I know you can take pieces of this and make a meme out of it about the gay things, but that's okay. You know, um, whatever you are, be free, be yourself. Okay. And then this song, Set Me Free, is about that. Here we go.
Set me free, let me go. Let me be what I want to be. Set me free, allow me to chase and go after all my dreams. Set me free, free yourself. Just like you, I'm a human being. Set me free, wash yourself of a sin, don't be guilty. We got the right to be alive, and we were born to be free. We all came into this world to fulfill our destiny. Just let it go. You got enough with your own life. Don't carry mine. You're okay without me. Set me free. It don't cost anything. Set me free. Won't hold you back. It might be a great release. Set me free. Live your life and allow me to live mine. Set me free. It's all good. You'll be fine without me. Let me chase my dreams. Yeah, you know. Don't take them away. It's my need and my reason to survive. Just let it go. Your ego and your greed. Just wait and see how happy you're gonna be. Oh, so dum da dum dum da. Whoa. Oh, set me free. Set me free. Set me free. Let me be what I wanna be. Set me free. Let me go after all my dreams. Set me free. Set me free.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I wanted to explain something. In this song, I made a small mistake. For example, Set Me Free don't cost a thing. There's no charge or any fee. But since I forgot that part, I couldn't read it. What happened? I improvised. because I had to go on. You know, that's what you get from live singing. So sometimes I do that. Sometimes I make a chord. It's not good. You say, what did he do? Correct, because I tried to continue. Since this is an unedited live video, you know, so there's no edit, no stopping. Okay, let's do it again. No, you did a mistake. That's it. So I wanted to explain this. For example, set me free, let me go, let me be what I want to be. Everybody has the right to become what they want to be. At least that's what we feel that we have, you know, not always, you know. We know the reality is different many times, but that's the ideal behind life. Set me free, free yourself. Just like you, I'm a human being. Set me free, wash yourself of all sin. Don't be guilty. Commit a crime. You know, don't commit a crime at me or to me, because that becomes a sin that you have to carry on. It's karma. You know, we got the right to be alive. So what happens is I say my frustration first, and then I say why I I don't want to be frustrated anymore. We got a right to be alive, and we were born to be free. We all came into this world to fulfill our destiny. So we all have a calling right here. It doesn't matter what. We all came into this world to fulfill destiny. Just let it go. You got enough with your own life. So let go of mine. Make your life. You know, do your thing. Sometimes I see that a lot, in also in that whole taboo about, you know, sex orientation. You know, heterosexual, and the guy's gay. So why is he gay? You know, it's not your problem. That's his problem. Don't make you don't carry mine. You're okay without me. So I don't have to carry his life. You know, I have to tell you. It's very hard because sometimes you want the best for people, but do you know what's really best? Who are you to judge that? It's very hard. You know, I have many times a problem myself with that, because you think you've been through a certain experience and you can give people advices, but sometimes that was your experience. They have to experience it on their own. Set me free don't cost a thing. There's no charge or any fee, so nobody's going to charge you for it. Nobody's going to hold you against it. Set me free won't hold you back. It might be a great release. Sometimes when you let go of things, it's a great release because you bother yourself too much with others. Set me free and live your life and allow me to live mine. Well, it's very clear. Set me free, it's all good. You'll be fine without me. Let me chase my dream. Don't take them away. Dreams are necessarily to live, even though sometimes you say, hey, he dreams about that. He's never going to become that. That's okay. It's a motivation in life. Maybe they don't become, but it motivates them to do something positive. Think about it. It's my need and my reason to survive. I say, just let it go. That ego and that greed. Your ego, like I know more. I'm supposed, or the greed. I want to have everything good for myself, not for others. You know, it's very hard. It's very hard. As human beings, we have the tendency to go against that. Just wait and see how happy you're gonna be. Because when you do that, you will find a certain peace, and that peace I translate it into happiness. Sí, yo quería dar una explicación breve, ya lo di más extenso en inglés. Libérame es libérame de, o sea, de vivir mi vida, de tener opiniones para mí, de no dejarme soñar, de no dejarme ser quien soy, ¿me entiendes? Si soy heterosexual, gay, no gay, transexual, ese es problema de la persona. Entonces, cuando tú sueltas la vida de la otra persona, tú puedes vivir tu propia vida y tú puedes estar más en paz. Set me free. So a lot of times when I write a song, I come up with what I feel first, and then I explain why am I feeling this, because and then I explain my point of view. And in this song, you can see that very clearly. So that was it. I hope that you know, you can pick up something out of this. And music is not about a race, you know, about yeah, I'm faster, I'm better than you. You know, many times we have that compare. We have measurements. It's about feeling, you know. And some people will like your music, and some don't. That's okay, you know. To me, it's very important that I bring the message. I can easily say that I can make songs that I know that will be catchy. I can do that. I know that I can do. I've done that experiment many times. even with others. But my point is more, I want to leave a message because I find that that's a part of my calling. Yo estaba diciendo en inglés que yo fácilmente puedo decir, ¿sabes qué? Voy a hacer una canción que pegue. Una cosa, un hook, como dicen en inglés. Fácil, ¿me entiendes? Y lo he experimentado y funciona. Pero para mí no se trata de eso. Para mí se trata de que una de mis cosas, mis propósitos en la vida es dejar un mensaje. ¿Me entiendes? Entonces, con eso los dejo. Thank you. One love, bless. Hey, tu cosa bomba, tu gente. Saludos.